Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll uncover a proven strategy to create and sell ebooks online that could generate up to $10,000 a month or even more. If you've ever thought about stepping into the world of online business, ebooks are one of the most straightforward and profitable digital products to start with. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear roadmap to transform your ideas into a profitable ebook business. Selling ebooks online has become a lucrative business, generating millions for individuals worldwide. For instance, I've helped over 1,400 students launch their own ebook ventures. The rise of AI tools has made the process faster and more accessible than ever before, enabling anyone to brainstorm, write, and market their ebook with ease. But before we dive into the steps, here's a quick reminder: I've created a free 7-day book challenge that walks you through every stage of this process. The challenge is currently free, but it may become a paid program soon. Check the link in the description to join before it's too late. Starting an ebook business is one of the most accessible ways to generate passive income. With the right approach, you can research, create, publish, and market digital books that provide value to readers while earning consistent revenue. This guide breaks down the 4 essential steps to help you build and scale your ebook business successfully. 1. Research the topic, brainstorm topics, validate profitability, analyze trends, and research market demand. 2. Create the book, write yourself or hire ghostwriter, focus on problem solving, clear title. 3. Upload the book, sell on Amazon KDP for easy publishing and massive audience reach. 4. Market the book, promote ebook via social media and Amazon ads for sales. Start by brainstorming potential topics for your ebook. Think about your passions, hobbies, or areas of expertise. For example, topics like productivity, mindfulness, and decluttering are popular. You can use tools like ChatGPT to generate 50+ ideas in seconds. Additionally, research bestsellers on Amazon or bookstores like Barnes & Noble to identify trends. Here's the critical distinction in my strategy: don't just write about what you love. Validate your idea by ensuring it's profitable. How to validate your topic? Use tools like Amazon Quick View to analyze the bestseller rank, BSR, of books in your niche. A BSR below 80,000 indicates a book is selling well. Alternatively, invest in tools like BookBeam to estimate daily earnings and monthly sales for specific books. If your niche shows demand, you're ready to move to the next step. Now that you've chosen a topic, it's time to create your ebook. There are 2 ways to do this. Write it yourself. Brain dump your knowledge into a Google Doc and organize it into chapters. Imagine taking your reader from point A, problem, to point B, solution. For example, a book on decluttering might take readers from feeling overwhelmed in their messy homes to a stress-free, organized environment. Hire a ghostwriter. If you're short on time, hiring a ghostwriter is a viable option. Ghostwriters are affordable and commonly used in the publishing industry. For those writing the book themselves, here's a useful tip: focus on solving the reader's problem. Cut out any fluff or irrelevant details, and deliver actionable, valuable content. Once the book is written, create an appealing title. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate ideas, ensuring the title clearly conveys the book's value and includes specific benefits, e.g., declutter your life in 30 days. Many people make the mistake of selling ebooks on their own websites, which requires heavy marketing efforts and traffic generation. Instead, leverage Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Amazon is the largest online bookstore, with millions of active buyers ready to purchase. Why Amazon KDP? Amazon handles payments, shipping, and customer service. You tap into an enormous marketplace without the hassle of driving traffic. You can sell your book in multiple formats, including ebooks, paperbacks, and audiobooks. Setting up an account on KDP is free and straightforward. Simply create an account, provide your bank and tax details, and upload your book. Once uploaded, Amazon does much of the heavy lifting by promoting your book to potential buyers. To generate sales, you'll need to market your ebook effectively. Here are 2 strategies. 1. Social media marketing. Use platforms like TikTok and Instagram to promote your book. Create engaging videos showcasing your book's content. For example, flip through the pages or read excerpts aloud. Viral posts on platforms like TikTok can generate millions of views and significant sales. 2. Amazon ads. Run targeted ads on Amazon to get your book in front of potential buyers. Amazon ads are highly effective and cost-efficient, allowing you to start with as little as $3 a day. Increase your budget gradually as you see returns. Once your first book is successful, scaling becomes straightforward. Here's how you can grow your income. Publish more books. Convert your ebook into additional formats, like paperbacks, audiobooks, or translated versions. Bundle multiple books into collections for added value. Build an audience on social media to amplify sales. Sell your portfolio of books for a large payout, similar to selling a real estate property.